In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a debit card from Samsung Wallet. First, let's start by opening Samsung Wallet. You will see the icon on your device's home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Once the app opens, you will be greeted by a clean interface showcasing your stored cards and passes. This is a crucial step because accessing the app is the first action required to manage your payment methods effectively. You might notice different options available, but we will focus on the payment cards specifically. Next, tap on the option labeled All. This section allows you to view all the features and functionalities available within Samsung Wallet. It is important to select this to ensure you navigate properly towards your payment cards. After tapping on All, your screen will refresh to display various categories. This ensures you have access to everything available, including your payment methods, rewards, and more. Don't worry, you are making great progress towards removing your debit card. Now tap on Payment Cards. This will direct you to a list of all the payment cards you have linked to your Samsung Wallet. You may see multiple cards if you have added several in the past. This step is essential because it narrows down your selection to just the cards you manage for transactions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this screen as it shows you the cards you currently have active. After that, select the debit card you wish to remove. You will see all the details of the card displayed on the screen. This is a significant moment because it is the step where you will identify the specific card to remove. Ensure that you choose the correct one to avoid any confusion later. You may want to double-check the details to confirm this is the card you intend to delete. Next, tap on the Nitsi icon, which represents more options. This icon usually appears as 3 vertical dots, indicating additional settings or actions you can take. It's important to click on this icon to access more functions related to your selected card. When you tap it, a menu will pop up with several choices available for your card management. This is a standard practice to help streamline your options within the app. From there, tap on Delete Card. This option is critical as it initiates the process of removing your debit card from Samsung Wallet. You may see a prompt confirming your action, which is a helpful reminder that you are about to delete important information. It assures you that you have control over what is kept in your wallet, enhancing your security. Now, you may be prompted to choose a reason for the deletion. If this appears, simply select the reason that best describes why you are removing the card. This step can be seen as a way for Samsung to gather feedback about their services. It's not mandatory, but providing a reason is a good practice. This shows that your input can help improve user experience. Next, tap on Delete to finalize the removal of the card. This action seals the deal, ensuring that the card is no longer accessible from your Samsung Wallet. Once you tap Delete, you will likely see a confirmation message indicating that the card has been successfully removed. This confirmation gives you peace of mind that your action has been completed correctly. At this point, you will need to enter your Samsung Wallet PIN or use your fingerprint or biometrics to confirm the deletion. This security step is crucial as it protects your wallet from unauthorized changes. Inputting your PIN or using biometric data ensures that only you can make significant changes to your account. Once this is completed, your debit card will be removed from Samsung Wallet. Keep in mind that removing the card from Samsung Wallet does not cancel your physical debit card or bank account. If you use Samsung Wallet on multiple devices, you'll need to remove the card from each device separately. This is important to ensure that your financial information is consistently managed across all your devices. Thank you for following along.